Hello everyone. I'm asked to present you the team leader company. So we have here David, our COO, Amit, CFO, Hannah, VP for marketing, and Yossi, liaison for all kind of negotiations. Our management vision is to lead the computer market all over globally while maximizing your shareholders' value. So to do so, we have a strategy. From the beginning is to maintain high turnovers with low cost structure. So if we'll take it point by point, we would like to produce and sell high quality personal computers all over the world. That means we are not limited to one geographic location, but we'll go all over. We want to self-supply the chips to our personal computers, so in that way we can manage low cost. Investments in R&D is very important for us. We want to sell high-grade computers, so we'll invest a lot in R&D and for chips and PCs by ourselves or by licensing with other companies. And the last point is we want a steady and gradual increase in the company asset and not doing all things at once.
I'm David, I'm the Chief of Manufacturing, and I write a very tight shift. I like everything tight, just like a shirt. So you see, basically, as we said, we want to lower our costs. Lowering our costs begins at the beginning of the value chain. We supply most of our own chip capacity. We are both leading in production and in technology. We're actually technology leaders, despite the fact that some people turn and they say that they are the chip manufacturers. We're actually the top technology in chip manufacturing. Moving on to personal computers, we also have a very strong manufacturing basis, also 6 production plants, both located at the same locations that are located, that the chip plants are located. All of this is lowering our transportation costs, etc. Sales, we have worldwide sales, and we also pursue intercompany opportunities to sell our computers to not just to the consumer market, but also to other wholesalers, etc., which allow us to benefit from revenue without market share. Also, we delve a little bit deeper. We see that throughout the last quarters, we have been managing to have much more plants than the average PC manufacturer. This means, together with the fact that the plants are located at 2 major locations, we have a very drastic reduction of costs. Also, we're continuously investing in method improvements, another step to reduce our cost structure. Let's see the cost of the chip on the market. We see that throughout the entire history from Q3 up to the latest, we see that our costs are much cheaper than whether it is from buying chips on the free market and or from competitors. Once again, through method improvements and through our manufacturing base.
So, as Boaz already mentioned, we believe that investing in R&D is an important factor in our leading strategy. So, as you can see here from this graph, from Q3 onward, almost in every Q, we were leading in grade available for PCs, comparing to the average in the market. Also, in order to reduce the cost of manufacturing, we invest highly in chip rates, and also we're the leading in the market in this area. We are one of the 2 only companies that giving dividends to our investors. We believe it's very important. We respect our investors. And our dividend policy is actually a constant stream policy, meaning we're giving dividends each Q. And we believe it shows the stability of the company and growing revenues.
Okay, so what are we going to do with your money? So about the current market that we work in, which is Brazil and the United States, we intend to enhance our grip in those markets by opening new PC plants and chip plants. And we also wish to open more sales offices. About Europe, we will continue just selling over there. We found out that this works best for us. And we will keep our eyes open and try to find new opportunities in M&As. About the Emirates, we wish to penetrate this market because we think that we have several advantages, mainly in the R&D, as Anna said before. We think that we can get an estimated market share of about 33% in the premium market. We want to open also PC factories and chips factories because this is our strategy.
40 seconds left.
And sales offices.
I'm going to talk about trends right now. As you can see, we try to put on the one graph the net income and the total equity of the company. You can see the total trend is mainly going upward. We have a big bump on Q7. It was a technical error that won't reflect the future. It's a stock that was in Europe was written on the accounting books and
take 20 seconds to sum up.
Undervalued. So we don't expect to have any significant in the future. We propose to the investors 33% of the company. We price it right now for 77 million Swiss francs. So our offer is 33% of 57.